Hello guys, welcome back. You are watching my Airdrop. So in this video I am going to show you how you can be able to mine free Bitcoin, free TRX, free BNB and free Dogecoin every second using these free crypto mining sites with the name Skyhash. Okay, so you will get the link to these free mining sites in these videos description box. Okay, so click on the link right now to sign up, and here you can see that I have been able to accumulate about 0.000035 BTC, 0.017 BNB, 163 TRX, and the 129 Dogecoins. Okay, so now let's go withdraw all these coins. So let's start with BNB. So I'm just going to click on withdraw, and I'm going to be withdrawing 0.0171 BNB to my wallet. Okay, so let's go get my wallet address from Trust Wallet. Okay, so this is my BNB portfolio on Trust Wallet, and I currently have about $14 worth of BNB. Okay, so let's get the wallet address by clicking receive, and I will just have to click on copy, and let's go back to the site. All right, so here I am just going to paste the wallet address here and click on withdraw, and now I'll have to solve this captcha showing here right now. So after that I'll click on verify, and the payment should be sent to my BNB account on Trust Wallet. Okay, so this is the payment here, and I'm saying that coins sent 0.0171 BNB has been sent to your wallet. Okay, so let's head on to my Trust Wallet account, and you see here that their payment is automatic. This is the BNB that I received right now. Okay, so let me refresh my account. All right, so the BNB already reflected right here now. Okay, so this is the payment of 0.017167778 BNB, currently equivalent to $5.35 sent to me today around 12:50 a.m. being the time that I am recording this video. Okay, so you have just confirmed here now that the site is paying, guys, and if you have not yet signed up, you should at least do that right now. Okay, so now I am also going to be withdrawing this my TRX. Okay, so let me click on OK. So let's go withdraw this my 163 TRX, and after that I am going to withdraw this Dogecoin. Okay, so let's click on withdraw on that TRX, and I'm going to be withdrawing 163 TRX. Okay, so let's head on to my Trust Wallet and get my TRX address by clicking copy, and you see here that I currently have about 14,349 TRX here. So let's go back to the site over here now, and I'm just going to paste the wallet address here now. Then we click on withdraw. Okay, and let me solve this captcha. After that, verify, and here goes the payment to my wallet straight away. Okay guys, so let's go check my Trust Wallet account, and you see here that I just received a notification right now from Trust Wallet saying that 163 TRX was sent to me. Okay, so let me refresh my account, and this is my new account balance here now. So this is the TRX which I received, which is 163, currently equivalent to $12.45 as of now. Okay, let's also go withdraw the Doge coins I have over there. Okay, I'm just going to click on withdrawal beside Dogecoin, and I'm going to be withdrawing about 130 Dogecoins. Okay, so let's go get my Dogecoin address. All right, so I currently have about 859 Dogecoins, and now let me click on copy, and let's go back to the site, and I'm going to paste the address here now by clicking paste, then hit on withdrawal, and I'll have to solve this captcha also. Okay, so after that I click on verify. All right, and here coins sent 130 Dogecoins has been sent to my wallet. Okay, so if I click on OK now, you will see here that I no longer have BNB TRX, but I am mining Dogecoins and have about 0.000035 BTC left. Okay, so these are all my withdrawals right here right now, and these are all the TX IDs. Okay, so let's head on to my Trust Wallet account, guys, and over there now I am going to show you my Dogecoin withdrawal proof on Trust Wallet. Okay, let's go. So let's head on to Trust Wallet, and this is the payment over here now. This is the payment of 130 Dogecoins. Okay, so let me reload my account, and I now have 989. Okay, this is the payment of 130 Dogecoins I received this same time. Okay, so you can see here that this site is paying, and I have made some TRX, BNB, and Dogecoins in today's live withdrawal. Okay, so let's go back to the site, guys. And now, if you are yet to sign up, you will get the link in this video's description box. Okay, so once you click on the link, you have to go ahead and enter your email address here and click on quick register. After that, you follow the due process and you sign up successfully, and you can start mining with this site. Okay, so let's log into my account by clicking sign in over here now. All right, so like I said, you can mine both Bitcoin, BNB, TRS, and Dogecoin using this free site. Okay, so now it is time for you to choose the crypto that you want to mine. So now let me say, for example, now you want to mine Bitcoin. You can start mining Bitcoin right away by dragging this Bitcoin mining power from here to here now, and it will start mining free Bitcoin for you. And you have to also solve this captcha. All right, so you click on verify. So that is how it works. Success, power settings updated. Okay, so you click on this OK button here now, and in case you want to mine BNB, then you have to turn down your Bitcoin mining power. Okay, then after that you increase your BNB mining power. All right, and you also have to solve this captcha. To click on this button here now with the name verify. Okay, and after that it would start mining free BNB for you, just the way you are seeing it here now. If you want to mine TRX, you turn down your BNB mining power this way now, and you increase your TRX mining power. All right, and this way it would start mining free TRS for you. Okay, and in case you want to mine those coins, you turn down your TRS mining power this way now, then you increase your Dogecoin mining power like this. So in case you want to buy a mining power, in case you want to buy a mining power, because you can actually make a deposit and make a whole lot of money off this side. Okay, so now you click on this deposit button at the above. All right, and here now you'll be given a calculator here now, which would help you to calculate every single thing. Okay, so you can make a deposit using Bitcoin, BNB coin, TRS, and Dogecoin. Okay, so now to make a deposit here now, you choose the crypto that you would like to deposit with. Okay, so if you are to deposit using TRX, you click on TRX. So now let me say now you want to invest about $10 right here now. Okay, so $10 would get you 400 GHS, and you make about 2.5% every single day. Okay, so 2.5% of $10, that would be 25 cents every single day. All right, and in 10 days you have made about $2.50. Okay guys, so in 30 days guys, you have made about $7.50. all right, and in about 60 days you have made about $15. In 180 days you have made about $45 with a deposit of $10. Okay, so now let me say now you are going in with about $50. $50 would get you a mining speed of 2000 GHS, and you make 3% every single day. Okay, so 3% of $50 here now would be $1.50 every single day. In 10 days time you have made about $15. all right, in about 30 days you have made about $45. In 60 days you have made about $90, and in 180 days guys you have made about $270 for just investing $50. Okay, so now let me say for example now you are going in here with about $200, or let's make it $100 here now. You get 4000 GHS. Okay guys, and you make about 3% every single day, which is $3 every single day. In 10 days you have made about $30. In 30 days you have made $90. In 60 days you have made $180, and in 180 days guys you have made about $540. Okay, so let me say now you are going in here with about $1000 straight. You get a mining speed of 40,000 GHS, and you make 5% every single day. Okay, so 5% of $1,000 would get you $50 every single day. Okay, in 10 days you have made about $500. In about 30 days you have made about $1,500. In 60 days you have made about $30,000, and in 180 days guys you have made about $9,000. Okay, so if you are going in here with about $5,000, that is $5K, you'll be getting a mining speed of 200,000 GHS, and you make 6% every single day. Okay, so 6% every single day would be $300 every single day for investing $5,000. Okay, so in 10 days guys I've made about $3,000. All right, in 30 days you have made $9,000. In 60 days you have made $18,000, and in 180 days, guys, you have made about $54,000 for just investing just $5,000. Okay, so now let me say now you're going in here with about $10,000 and above. You get paid about 400,000 GHS, and you make 6% every single day. So 6% of $10,000 would be $600. Okay, so your daily profit now every single day for investing $10,000 now would be $600. Okay, and in 10 days you have made about $6,000. In 30 days you have made about $18,000. In 60 days you have made about $36,000, and in 180 days, guys, I've made about $108,000 for just investing $10,000. Okay, so now to make a deposit, just choose the crypto that you want to use and pay with. Enter the amount in USD over here now, then choose the cryptocurrency over here now. So once you have chosen the cryptocurrency, you click on open deposit, then you copy out the wallet address given to you this way now and head over to your wallet and pay. So once you have paid, the deposit and the contract will be activated for your account immediately, and you will start getting your profit as calculated down below this page. Okay, that is how the site works. Do not forget that you get the link to sign up right now in this video's description box. Okay, so hurry up now and click on the link and the sign up, and this happens to be my 5th withdrawal of this site. Okay, so you can see everything here is still intact. Okay, so hurry up now, guys, and sign up now with the link I'll be placing now in this video's description box. Okay, so as for the minimum deposit, like I said earlier, minimum deposit is 25 cents. Okay, you can see it's 25 cents. Okay, and the minimum withdrawal is 0.000147 BTC, 0.0127 BNB, 50 TRX, and the 55 Dogecoins. Okay, so anytime you have mined up to this amount in your account, you can withdraw to your wallet straight away, and your payment seems to be automatic. Okay, so give this my video a thumbs up, guys, and do let me know now what you think about this video at the comment section below. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe and God bless, and peace out.